Welcome to all. Today we see discuss about nervous system. First of all, I am K. Thamarichelvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, JJ Arts and Science College for Autonomous, Pudukkottai. Human organ system. There are several organ systems are present. Nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, excretory system, endocrine system, lymphatic immune system, reproductive system. Body system functions. Although each of the 10 organ systems has a different set of functions, they all work together as a whole to maintain homeostasis. Nervous system. The nervous systems control and coordinate the functions throughout the body and responds to internal and external stimulus. Nearly all multicellular organisms have communication systems. Specialized cells carry from one cell to another cell. Smooth and efficient communication through the body. Nervous system. Messages carried by nervous systems are electrical signals called impulses. Cells that transmit these impulses are called neurons. Basic unit of nervous system. There are three types of neurons are present. First one is sensory neuron, second one is motor neuron, third one is interneuron. The sensory neuron carry impulses from sense organs, eyes, ear, etc. to the spinal cord and brain. The motor neuron carry impulses from the brain and spinal cord to muscles and glands. The interneuron connect sensory and muscles, the neurons, and carry impulses between them. Parts of a neuron: cell body, dendrites, axon, myelin sheath. Cell body, the largest part, contain nucleus and most of cytoplasm. Most metabolic activities occur here. Dendrites, short branched extensions, carry impulses from environment or other neuron toward cell body. Neurons can have several dendrites. Axon, long fiber which carries impulses away from the body, ends in axon terminals located a distance away from the cell. Neurons only have one axon. Myelin sheath, insulating membrane surrounding axon. We can see this picture, full oral view of neuron. Nerve impulse. An impulse begins when a neuron is stimulated by another neuron or environment. Synapse. The location where a neuron can transfer an impulse to another cell. The space between neurons. Neurotransmitters are chemicals used by neurons to transmit an impulse across the synapse. Human nervous system divided into two major divisions. One is central nervous system and another one is peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system relays messages, processes info and analyzes info. Peripheral nervous system receives information from the environment and relays command from the central nervous system to glands and organs. The central nervous systems are controlled by brain. There are several parts are maintenance. First one is cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, thalamus and hypothalamus. Brain. The brain made up of 50 to 100 billion neurons. 4 lobes or regions are present. The frontal lobe is used to memory, judgment, inhibitants, personality. Temporal lobe is used to long-term memory, auditory processing. Occipital lobe, vision processing. Parietal lobe also used for sensory integration. We can see this slide, full oral view of brain. Spinal cord. The spinal cord mainly communicates a link between the brain and the rest of the body. Certain kinds of info are processed in spinal cord. Reflex is a quick automatic response to a stimulus. Sneezing and blinking always your body to respond danger immediately without thinking. Peripheral nervous system lies outside of central nervous system, consists of all the nerves and cells that are not a part of the brain or spinal cord. Cranial nerves divided into two divisions, sensory and motor. Peripheral nervous system, sensory division transmit impulses from sense organ to central nervous system. Motor division transmit impulses from central nervous system to muscles and glands. Somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system regulates conscious controlled activities. Autonomic nervous system regulate automatic or involuntary activities divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system.